Hello students, today we will continue word problems. Let us take type 3 word problems based on time, distance, speed. Okay, here the model sum what I have taken is related to the distance, speed and time. The problem is this. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. Therefore, here distance to be travelled equal to 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Okay, now here distance to be travelled is 360 km. We have to find out the speed of the train. Let the speed of the train be equal to x kilometer per hour. Then what will be the time taken? We know that in general what we have, speed equal to what? Distance by time taken. Therefore, then what is time taken? Distance by speed. In physics, you are studying that one, very simple equation. Now, therefore, according to that, here the known factor is the distance and the unknown is the speed. Therefore, what will be the time taken when the train goes with this speed means? Therefore, time taken by the train will be equal to what? See children here. Time taken is distance by speed. Distance is 360 by speed is x hour. Now what is the given condition? If the train had been, the speed of the train had been 5 km per hour more. Therefore, now once again, see very clearly, distance to be travelled is 360 km. Let the speed of the train be equal to x km per hour. Therefore, time taken is what? Distance by speed 360 by x, that gives time taken. Now, if the speed is increased, by if the speed is increased by 5 km per hour, if the speed is increased by 5 km per hour, then what? Now what we get is new speed. Original speed is x. Now according to this assumption given condition, it increases by 5. Therefore, then new speed will be equal to what? And the new speed is x plus, if the speed is increased by 5 km means original speed is x. If it is increased by 5, therefore x plus 5 km per hour. Then what will be the time taken? 1 hour less. That's what given condition. Now therefore, according to the question, now therefore time taken by the train. Now therefore the time taken by the train is again distance 360. Now the speed is increased by 5, hence x plus 5. This is the new time taken. Okay. The first one 360 by x when the speed is x. When the speed increases by 5, 360 by x plus 5. What the relation given in this means one number less. Very, very important. Now, according to the question, ATQ, according to the question, we have what? 360 by x. This is the original time taken. Now the new time taken is 360 by x plus 5. 1 hour less means, therefore naturally now this minus this gives what? 1. For example, first if the time taken by the train is 10 hours, next 1 hour less means what? Second time, say 9. What is 10 minus 9? 1. Okay, children, therefore this is what the required equation. Now we shall reduce this into the standard form. Therefore, 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 equal to 1. So now let us simplify this by taking LCM of these two is the product of these two. Then x get cancelled. 360 into x plus 5 minus 360 into x equal to, this implies equal to 1. Okay. Now this implies 360 into x, 360 x plus 1800, correct? Then minus 360 x whole divided by x into x, x into 5 equal to 1. 360 get cancelled. Therefore, this will be equal to x square plus 5x, okay, equal to what? 1800. What is done? Cross multiplication is done. 1 into x square, 1 into 5x equal to 1800. Now we have to bring this into the standard form. Hence, x square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0. This is of which form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to. Now we shall factorize this. 1 into minus 1800 minus 1800. Take 1800. Let us factorize this. It is even. Divide by 2. 900. 2. 450. 2. 2 za. 2 za. 5 za. Then 5. 4 za. 5 za. 5. 9 za. 3. 3 za. Now we know we have to group into 2 so that what we must get, we have to get the difference plus 5 and the product, no problem at all, we will get it. Hence here let us group this. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 5 20, then 4 into 5 20, 2 5s are 10, 30, 60, no. Then again we have to change. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. Just let us check. 40. Then 5 3s are 3 3s are 9, 45. Yes, it comes. Therefore, 40 and 45. We need plus 40 plus 5. Therefore, very simple common sense. Giving different signs, plus and minus, we get minus, and the difference is plus. And here one more advantage we have, coefficient of x square is unity. Already I told you, you know that. Now therefore we shall write like this: x minus 40 into x plus 45 equal to 0. This implies x minus 40 equal to 0 or x plus 45 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 40 or x equal to minus 45. In this context, minus is meaningless because it is related to speed. Minus means minus 45 kilometer means will the train go back? No. Therefore here let us take this one. Hence how we have started, let the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. Now therefore the speed of hence the speed of the train is what? 40 kilometer per hour. 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, children. Now we shall take one more type. Now we shall take another type, that is word problems based on geometry. One model sum. The hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is 6 meter, more than twice the shortest side. If the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, then find all sides of the triangle. So it is a convenient one. Let us assume the shortest side as what? X. Then it is easy to compare from that one. Hence, let the length of shortest side equal to x. What should be the unit? Here if it is meter, you give meter only. Okay. Next. Therefore, according to the question, the hypotenuse of right angle triangle is 6 meter, more than twice the shortest side. Hence, length of hypotenuse. Therefore, length of hypotenuse. Length of hypotenuse. See children, 6 meter more than twice the shortest. Shortest side is what? X. Twice means it is what? 2x. Correct? It should be 2x. Twice. And 6 meter more. Hence it should be what? Plus 6 meter. Check once again. If the, not that one. Hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 meter more than twice the shortest side. Yes, it's correct. Next, third side. Length of third side. Okay. What the condition given? If the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse. Now we know 2x plus 6 is the length of hypotenuse. 2 meter less. Minus 2. So equal to what? 2x plus 4 meter. Okay, children. Now therefore, and it is not a compulsory one. If it is based on geometry, means we need not to draw the figure, etc. If it is quite easy, okay. Sometimes even we need what? The figure also. But here I think no need of drawing the figure. Now we are clear. Hypotenuse is known. The other two sides are known in terms of x, etc. Now let us apply Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what the theorem says, square on the hypotenuse 2x plus 6 whole square equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides, shortest and the third side, 2x plus 4 whole square. Now therefore, it is of which form? A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 2, 4, 4, 6 are 24x equal to x square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 2, 4, 4, 4s are 16x. Once again we shall check and then proceed. 2x square, yes, 4x, 2x whole square, 6 square, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 6, 24x. X square, 2x whole square, 4 square, 2ab, 2 into 2, 4, 4 4s are 16x. Now therefore, see here, 4x square get cancelled, because when plus is shifted to the left hand side, you know it. And then, now therefore, let us simplify this. Here also these are in the simplest form. Now therefore, just we compare left hand side and right hand side. In the left side, we have only first degree term. Here we have second degree, and moreover, it is positive. Therefore, instead of shifting these to the left hand side, we shall shift all this to the right side. Hence, we get now x square plus 16x plus 16 minus 24x minus 36 equal to 0. I hope you have understood. X square plus 16x plus 16. Then plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Therefore, x square plus 16 minus 24 is minus 8x. Then minus 20 equal to 0. This is what we said the standard form of the quadratic equation of the given situation. Now we know we shall try to factorize this. 1 into minus 20, very simple number. What are the factors? Here we should get minus 20. Okay. If you find it difficult, don't crack your head. Just simply go for factorization. 2 into 10. Therefore, just check once. The product is 20. Then we get a difference. Therefore, 2 into what? 10 minus 8 minus plus. Okay, those who find very difficult in factorization, already I have discussed under the topic factorization in detail. Even I have given there one shortcut method. Even we could follow that also, children. Just you refer that video class. Minus 20. Therefore, plus into minus minus. Minus 20. Difference is what? Minus 8. And here, therefore, since the coefficient of x square is unity, let us write directly x plus 2, x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 or x equal to 10. Length cannot be negative, therefore ignore it. Hence now, after knowing the value of x, hence what we assume, let the length of the shortest side be x. Hence shortest side equal to 10 meter. Okay, the given unit, I think it is meter. Next, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is 2 times of the shortest side, and then I think 6 more. Therefore, 2 into 10, 20 plus 6 equal to 26 meter. Next, what about the third side? Third side is 2x plus 4. That means it is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse. Therefore, third side equal to what? 2 meter less than the hypotenuse means 26 minus 2, 24 meter. So thus, the shortest side is 10 meter, hypotenuse 26 meter, and then the third side is what? 24 meter. Thus, we can apply what? The quadratic equations in our day-to-day life situations. Now, I will give you just 2 simple assignment problems. assignment based on one geometry, the another one distance, time and speed. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, then find the sides of the two squares. Second one, an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysuru and Bengaluru. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Okay, children. So we will continue in the next class. Thank you.